Imagine driving in total silence again. No humming, no grinding. Today, we're troubleshooting that annoying noise to confirm if it's a bad wheel bearing.
Catching this early saves you hundreds in repair costs and keeps your wheel from locking up at highway speeds. Let's diagnose it step by step.
First, the road test. Turn off the radio and roll up the windows. You are listening for a low hum or growl that speeds up with the car.
Unlike engine noise, this sound doesn't change when you shift gears. It only changes with your speed. If it matches your tire rotation, you're on the right track. Now, safely sway the car slightly left and right. If the noise gets louder when turning left, your right bearing is loading up and likely the culprit. So, we have speed-dependent noise that changes when turning. That's a strong indicator. But let's check for physical sensations to be absolutely sure. Can you feel a vibration through the steering wheel? A bad bearing creates friction that transmits buzzing energy right into your hands. Hop out and look at your tires. Bad bearings cause the wheel to wobble slightly, leading to patchy, uneven tire wear. Don't blame your alignment just yet. Check your dash. Modern cars use wheel speed sensors for ABS. If a bearing is loose, that sensor ring wobbles, tripping your ABS or traction control light. We've gathered the driving evidence. Now it's time to get hands-on. We need to lift the vehicle to confirm exactly which wheel is failing. Jack up the suspect wheel and secure it with a jack stand. Never rely solely on the hydraulic jack. Safety is our #1 priority here. Grab the tire at the 12 and 6 o'clock positions. Try to rock the wheel, pushing top and pulling bottom. We are checking for play. If you feel a distinct clunk or looseness, that bearing is shot. A healthy wheel should feel solid with zero play in this vertical direction. Note: play at 3 and 9 o'clock usually means tie rods, not bearings. Stick to the vertical 12 and 6 test to isolate the bearing issue. Next, put the car in neutral and spin the wheel as fast as you can by hand. Put your ear close to the hub. You are listening for a roughness or grinding sound, like metal rolling on gravel. A good bearing spins quietly and smoothly. Pro tip: hold the coil spring while someone spins the wheel. The spring amplifies vibrations, letting you feel roughness even if you can't hear it yet. To recap, listen for the growl, check for play at 12 and 6, and feel for vibrations on the spring. If you have these, replace it immediately. Ignoring this generates massive heat and can weld the bearing, causing the wheel to shear off. Do not wait until your wheel overtakes you on the highway. You've diagnosed it. If you're replacing it yourself, check out my next video on pressing in new bearings. Stay safe and keep wrenching.